Right, anyway, you share us over TV. Kasano, enye bebre, potim, patim, pa. Na je kwere. Nyame arochna around 7 p.m. Yebe stream the Seobe podcast. The Kotoko podcast, which is being hosted by Seobe. You're on Seobe team. Jochna 7 any Asia. Any announcement quick or SSC the Mamina. What a numerous comments are more there, we thank you so much. And we appreciate what you guys are doing. Probably they are waiting for the podcast. The first edition to China season 1, episode 1. Season season 1. Next season is season 2. Now you're to our podcast no so not here and not China confirmed one communication team member of Asante Kotoko. One former player of Asante Kotoko will be there and one journalist. You have kind of news now, a week in the moon 7 news. Now we are specific topics of much interest to more. But maybe a comment about the communication team member would address some of them for you to know what is going on within the team. Then maybe other issues are taught to us so don't miss it tomorrow 7 p.m. here on Seobe TV. Let's go straight to the other news. And Asante Kotoko training adaptation. Now me are watching Asante Kotoko training Manopani area. Kotoko against Chelsea me be come to channel be na Saturday o my back na Sunday so o my back na on Monday na me catch you say is Asante Kotoko ebo home amunko hotel you omeda camp ba it is say no first na Kotoko bobo a Kumasi players no what normally happens near say once you call Yibiko hotel, which makes it easy for people to know who for the camp. Now we have it because they will be served. And from what I'm picking, best serve on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or ahead of the game, all players will be served. Now the good news is that from the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the only injury a year Kesia Kakra, a big na Dipano and cut training Julius Oforizigi. That is the news out there. He's the only one that is out of the team for now. Now on cut team now. All other players are present. And that is the good news. A free hall airbar magic air mount. Now transfer no. What I can tell you is that Asante Kotoko interested in a right back and a left back. That is something that I can tell you. Imano Kotei Usia Kaima is what remind him. There's just a movie from what I'm picking up, interesting here, massive from Asante Kotoko. So I shall Kotoko team this is here. I was Kotoko with wing backs, a right wing back. I had George Fagin, then a branch of Pitaka. It looks like Kotoko wants a right back. Our best said man. And Emmanuel Kotei of a year. So I remind the player. The news coming in said in 24 as shortlisted. Now, apart from the shortlisting, there have been a call a year to remind one more camp to find out the behavior of the boy. From what I was told, a member of the IMC placed call very cool to remind any people closer to the boy to find out his off the field behavior, and that shows you how the interest of Asante Kotoko or Emmanuel Kotei also. Kotoko left back. On said ye can imur asem me am say be catch us no pray. From then on say me can imur asem because confirmation if you boy and so anybody say enya dia obe join the Kotoko. Until there's no need for me to come and do any other story. We be on my back or china on back. No. From what I'm told, he's not coming on board. Now, Fatawu Sulemana, I may be a Chemusia Kaima Mediama, left back. Currently, as we are speaking, he's a free agent. And the news that I'm picking it said, Obi has suggested and the Amanda Asante Kotoko technical team. No? Now they are going to go through a series of scanning to find out whether indeed we can do this. So here Kotoko left back now. Nana Benini John Tediku and Nicolas Osebos. These are the players available. And from what I was told, once they say Kotoko left back, no, Abranti Freno, you know, Morrison and Kotoko left back. So the technical team will interest on players on the wings. Our Betidise or Betini, Ababisi Akai, Eddie Amon. So Emmanuel Kotei is on the list, and Fatawu Sulemana is also on the list of Asante Kotoko. From what I've been told, Kotoko is interested in another striker. For the defensive midfield position, it appears that Kotoko M4 market and so Okopebi. As at now, I'm not say because Rocky Jamna, Andrew Sintimenu, Michael J. Jamna, Sheriff Mohammed, and to some extent, Justice Blay. Now Blay is playing as a defensive midfielder, but Blay makes me have a ball the defensive midfield role. But Blay is playing as a centre back rather. Defensive midfield role in Justice Blay. A bit me have a ball. So the defensive midfield position, and your position as Asante Kotoko AP player. Now when you go to attacking midfield, Lamte, Zeze, Babayaya, Morrison, we need to make that particular position. Don't forget a player like Shadrach and coach Nankasa Swa try Richmond Opoku as was our position. No? So from what I was told, the attacking midfield, so midfield Nankasa no, any area Asante Kotoko looking forward, say on best signing player. Now on the wings, Makacho said Nicolas Osebos, Nicolas Mensah. Nicolas Mensah ever back. That was second round. First round ended December near for AFCON about. Nicolas Mensah will be available to play for Asante Kotoko. So the news out there also indicates that the wings is not a position that Kotoko will interest. Bernard Somwa, Isaac Opon, Baba Yaya, Enoch Morrison can also play that position. Richmond Opoku betimi Abohobi. Again, when you will say Nicolas Mensah on Osoba. Tiahono it looks like any position and penny for any DH baby. They are looking out for players to come and play. And the right back, the left back, and the attack. Now Kalu also when you and you may slow man kakra. Julius for the city so you and I know say city na make say injury so has city. That was home. Don't even think about the goalkeeping department. But of course, it's not interested. Okay, the party, why will you even go for another defender? So, or Emma Asante Kotoko. So that is also out of the picture. And to your right, left, and attack. These are the play positions at Asante Kotoko technical team. No, any and the names are Misakano and Meji Amount. Now, moving forward to hear other stories, which is very, very necessary. Letter every mention and the idea friend of a year embargo and now a year let me get it right a letter from a stop a year the circles election no that is the news about letter no about a year and raya a letter about say circles election no one the embargo to so for now a committee formed women about investigations and after the investigations Obe consult to all the leadership for them to have a ground room, and when they get a ground then they allow the circle selection to come on. News back where may they Emma with you, the GFA announced on AMT and sponsorship renew the same day on the 2 engine himself on the bet powers and some about meant to us. But this is to every Kotoko fan. Now let's go to other issues. Monday game and break 5. Penny is over. You see, Kotoko we need 3 matches at once, which is very, very impressive. I will lose 3 matches twice, but when we need 3 at once. 3 no, Mediama, Lagos cities, and it's my friendly nations. Now I have Kumudia in India. After second Kotoko match day 10 year and we lose 3 matches at once. Not in who because Bebo Bidiema, Lagos cities away, while Bebo Chelsea had to focus on Olympics and that match is the who. But one or the other, the boys are pulling up and they are getting the job done. and team no mienu yaso yasade ne yese baby aduro na amrante no korokoro kwashe 1 kwashe 3 and wabeshe 4 so in 3 games Asante Kotoko ama 8 goals and that should tell you that if you're a fan of the club what we've always been calling for which is they must perform and perform well no? Gradually we are getting there into your fan you're also supposed to come to the stadium and give out your best to help the club move forward. We enye be peana me pass. You see a through time and the aka no. For a couple dreams ye nyina you go the players nechi criticize some of them on the way they are performing, what they are doing wrong, what they need to do right to help the team move forward. We talked about all that. Now these players are getting the results and they are doing a wonderful job. So it's also up to me to say, yes, we have a stadium, yes, we have a match there, which is coming in to support the team, coming in to give them their backing, coming in to cheer them up. Because Makano on consistent occasions said, Brekum Chelsea, a side that we should be very careful. They've always been a stubborn side. A team are on the bar or stubborn there. Untimi Fanyoma in Diablo. Untimi Kase, they are going to get it easy against them. Because how consistent Omaye when it comes to troubling the Kotoko and punishing Kotoko and Northern. Now, last month Kotoko started, but we ended well. Oh, me can last month, I me can November, I am much now. First, December. So Kotoko red December, and Kotoko need to start well. This will determine how Kotoko will be in the season. They will be in the first round. So in Kundiane Twaswa, forget about teams that Kotoko top. Chances of you closing the gap is very high, and that will be dependent on what the supporters are willing to do to help the team move forward. And to supporters, San Monday, a non-negotiable, a Semoba, being in a ball. Again, Kotoko player of the month, and now I'm a catcher say, Betty Wujuma. Now, I believe it should be a battle between Justice Blay and the Abrante friend Steve Mukwala. Yes, you can talk about Lamte, talk about Sheriff Mohammed. Morrison for the switch called 3 back. He has not been bad. But I think it's a straight battle between Blay and Mukwala. And this is where I come in. Blay, I instrumental. I got 3 games now in the month of November. 6 matches played in November, but winning 3, Olusu 3. But Eshe 8 goals in November. Now monitoring the discussion, there have been massive transformation of Kotoko defense. You talk about Blay because Kotoko it looks like one day you know we play beyond the expectations of people. Because we play beyond the expectations of people, and also naturally is a defender. Yusuf Nuruddin is a defender. And these players, much is expected from them. Because Kotoko 3 back, me and Ninaji took 3 back now Kotoko Abono. I play a part in 3 victories now Kotoko Enyana. Otu when you are say Justice Blay mom and I want the natural position na Kobo. And in the process, 3 matches now Kotoko was the man of the match over. And from Mimi books, Kotoko game on boy against Midiama, on your ratings of 8. Kotoko game on boy against Legon Cities, on your ratings of 7. Kotoko game on boy against Nation, on your ratings of 7. And you will find you are looking at around best 7.4 as his net ratings in the month of November. Keep it at the back of your mind. It's a match is now Kotoko starts on board November and Wambobi. And Kotoko Echirono, when you have a higher ratings than all of them, the closest will be Nuruddin and Enoch Morrison. Closest is Nuruddin and Morrison. From Echirono easily. As against the fact that any the natural position easily, you have to give him the player of the month from the home and a Maninya a major nomination. Now, midfield, no Sheriff Lamte, I talked about them. Said you can also consider them when you are doing your shortlist. Lamte played well because of co-injury back you against Midiama when you are ratings of 7.5. Kotoko a year team efeno Lagos Cities when your ratings of 7.5 and I got game on boy against a nations when your ratings of 7.5. So Lamptey is a player that you can also shortlist him for the player of the month. But why I even consider Blay here say position here the couple on much is expected of him. If Blay about defensive midfield no these ratings are and you're surprised but Okobo center back, right center back, not still onya these ratings are a Teresa will put one bomb in power. Sheriff Mohammed can also be considered because honestly ratings no 7-7. But don't forget some of the matches yellow card Kotoko dreams near there and my name is Samates. So on most of the matches in November. And so share the Kotoko performance and not in ratings no so. But I think he has also played well. But I would tip Lamptey in the middle over Sheriff Mohammed. But I would tip Blay our right center back over a year Richmond Lamptey. Then the next player men Beckham Mukwala. 7 goal involvement in these 3 matches at Kotoko. Yes, Kotoko Samates, Kotoko Dreams, Kotoko Suatre, Nina Obo. But I think man of the match back to back against Lagos Cities. GFA man of the match and no. But on Kotoko you the man of the match. And against Nations or the man of the match. It means that month of November, Kotoko players a man of the match, Mukwala 2, Justice Blay 1. But in all the matches, 3 matches, Lamptey was nominated, baby, and why to be winning. So it means that one or the other, it puts Mukwala and Blay above a Abranti Freno, Richmond Lamptey. So from where I sit, November number we are you Kotoko player of the month. I will strictly go in for Mukwala and Justice Blay, and I'll give it to the family here. May say in the family here for us to decide who should be Kotoko a player of the month. But I think a battle between Mukwala and Justice Blay. That is my submission and that is my view. This is over TV. Also make me a drop a comment na yabwa amejumedi na mwane. Na menke ochina podcast neighbor so exclusives be pure podcast. You just can't miss it. Until we meet again. Bye bye.